Hi, my YouTube family. Thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. I appreciate you guys. To all of my current subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you. I've got a few new subscribers between last month and this month. It makes me wonder, why did I take a break over the summer? Oh well, I had fun. Anyway, I uploaded a video earlier today of a floral arrangement for the centerpiece for the tablescape that I'm about to do. Guys, this tablescape is beautiful. So if you have not watched all of my videos in the past, you might want to watch this one. I think it's just gorgeous. I've been looking at my stats, and it looks like I have a few returning subscribers, but you all are not watching the whole video. Now, if I'm a person that's on your channel, you know that I'm there, because I always leave a comment, always like the video. And majority of the time, I look at 90% of your videos. And you all know that by my comments. I would appreciate if you give me the same respect and support. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time seeing one of my videos, hello, hello, hello. I would love for you to come join my family. But first, I want you to look around at some other videos to make sure that my content is something that you want to see. That my content is going to help you in some way. I didn't introduce myself. My name is Estelle. I live in Las Vegas. I do home decor videos mainly. I do DIYs. I do tablescapes. I do a little bit of everything home related on this channel. I also have some inspirational videos on this channel. I am going to turn the camera around and get started on this beautiful tablescape. I hope you stay to the end. I am starting off with this beautiful curtain. Yes, I said curtain. I needed something to go in the center of this table. This color. And I was about ready to run out and buy something until I looked at my closet and realized you got these in here collecting dust. I'm coming in with this beautiful floral arrangement. And if you have not watched the video on this, I will link it in this video with the video prior to this video. Now, for the table setting, I have this DIY piece that I did that's sitting around collecting dust, and I just needed something to go up under the bottom of the placemat with a little silver sticking out. Next, I'm using this. I'm gonna put it right on top of there. I have these chargers, which were the first video that I did on this channel. And it is my second highest viewed video. I have these beautiful plates. And I have my beautiful steel plate that I got from Temu. My beautiful sage green bowl. I have a sage green napkin and my beautiful napkin ring. I got these at Z Gallery. I don't think they carry these anymore, but I have seen some on Temu. I got some DIY coasters and this beautiful green glass. I'm just going to set them right over on the side here. And I have these coffee cups that match my plates. If you've been on this channel for a while, y'all know I don't like matchy-matchy. Guys, I forgot to finish my centerpiece setting. Have this candle holder. And this beautiful arrangement with a candle that matches the centerpiece. I'm going to put one on each side. And if you notice, I put some green roses in this arrangement from when I did it, because I couldn't find the roses at first. So far, so good. I'm going to finish setting the whole table and come back with a reveal. And guys, this is how this beautiful tablescape turned out. Guys, I think this turned out beautiful. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, look around on my channel. See if this is the type of content that you like and hit that subscribe button. Please like this video, leave me a comment, encourage me, tell me some of the things that you may want to see that I haven't done. I'm a creative person. I can do all types of DIYs. smaller ones because I live in an apartment. Thank you guys. Hold on. I have my famous message to give to you all. I just want to encourage you all for a second. If you have anybody in your life that's stressing you out, I don't care who they are. You gotta cut them loose. You got to, for your sanity, for your peace of mind. If you are working on a job that's stressing you out and you're trying to hold on to that job, why? Why? Let me tell you something. When we leave this earth, we got to answer to God for what we did with the talents He gave us. And He gave us more than one talent. If you have reached my age, a senior, and you don't know what your talents are, something's wrong with you. You better dig deep and find out what your talents are. And once you find out what your talents are, you better do something with that talent. If you're working on a stressful job, you better take that talent and you make that talent work for you so you don't have to put up with a toxic job, with toxic co-workers, with toxic supervisors. It is more to life than that. You should have peace and joy in your life because we only have just a certain amount of time in this life. And I'm gonna tell you something. I wasted too much of my life being stressed, being depressed because of other mentally challenged people. I won't do it no more. Won't do it. If you're toxic, stay the hell away from me, because I'm sure gonna stay the hell away from you. Guys, thank you so much for coming back and looking at another video of mine.